Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Hiele, International Artist for Goldwell, and I'm going to be doing a power toning technique on my model Kim. And I'm going to be first lightening her with Oxycur Platin and 6% to address her regrowth and get that beautiful clean blonde. And then after, I'm going to be doing a power toning technique working with our brightener. And this is all in Goldwell's LightDimensions. I'm also going to be incorporating Pigments into the brightener. So my model Kim is cleanly applied, and so now I'm going to start her processing time. I will check her in 30 minutes. So I'm going to start out by sectioning Kim's hair. We've already done the pre-lightening service on her regrowth, and now I'm going to be working with the LightDimensions brightener along with Pigments. So you can see standard for section, and the triangle sections in the front isolated away. So the finished end result of Kim's hair, and what you can see is this creates such an amazing cool finish on the hair. When it hits the light, you can see that it really has this movement that flickers just this beautiful coolness to it, as well as it has an amazing amount of shine. Either if you do it at your station as a technique or even at the shampoo basin. So amazing finished end result. I know Kim loves it. She's that kind of client, she can't get cool enough. So this is an amazing power toning service for her. Thank you, we'll see you again next time.